Hello, welcome back. So this is the Lego Friends Grand Hotel set. It looks so fantastic, and Peach is getting married to Astrid, and there are like elevators, but it's sort of like outside elevators. But the good part is that we actually have two elevators, one on the right side and one on the left side. Super nice, right? So we have six dolls included in this set and two cats as well. And there's also like really nice looking grand piano. But you know like the grand piano in the modern house, it was sort of like beige color, but this time we have black. So that is also different. And so in the top there's like a piano and where they can dance. There's also cake, second floor. That's like the bedroom, like bedrooms, two bedrooms and also a bathroom. And the first floor is kind of like the main hall. And there's also a place where people can get married. Like there's these like rose decorations and stuff like that. And the bathroom also looks very nice. And Leanne's new pants look very cool, right? And Astrid's wedding dress looks nice. And Petchy's suit is super cool too. Yeah, so awesome, right? So this is how it's going to look like, and I think it looks quite big, right? Yeah, so this is the end of the video, and I can't wait to see this set. See you next time. Bye bye. This looks so awesome, right? So fantastic. Bye bye.